never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. This and that, spitting slow, speaking fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make.
At ayun na nga, ay meron na tayong isa dito. Si Sir na nga pala ang pinakauna na susubok na patakbuhin itong pinakabagong motor ng Benda Motorcycle, ang Napoleon Bob 500. Okay, so isa nga pala itong V-twin type engine ng motorcycle na bobber type. So ito nga pala ay bagay na bagay talaga at siguradong relax na relax ka kahit na mapa-long ride ka man dito. So ang Napoleon Bob 500 ay isang V-twin cylinder. Meron niyang 8 valves, dual overhead cam, at syempre liquid cooled na bagay naman talaga sa mga long ride. So meron itong 475.6 displacement to be exact, pero syempre nasa 500cc at pagdating sa alin. Meron nga pala itong electronic fuel injection and syempre electric starter na rin yan. So sa kanyang suspension naman ay meron itong upside down telescopic forks sa kanyang front suspension. Dual shock absorber naman, adjustable preload naman para sa kanyang rear suspension. So meron niyang tire size na 150 by 80 by 16 sa kanyang front tire and 180 by 65 by 16 sa kanyang rear tire. And syempre sa kanyang brakes naman ay meron itong disc brake and syempre parehas yan naka ABS na sa front and rear brakes ng kanyang motor. Okay, so meron itong dry weight na 201 kilograms at 148mm na ground clearance. Ang maximum fuel capacity naman ito ay 16 liters. Yan. So, yan, mukhang nasubukan na ni Sir at siguradong na-enjoy niya rin. So, gusto niya na pumunta lang kayo dito at subukan dito sa may Dirjo Cafe dito sa may Sunset Del Monte, Bulacan. So, si Sir nakapag-try na. Na-try niya na isang unit ng Benda. Diba? Abot. At ito naman nga pala ang pangalawang unit ng Benda Motorcycle dito na gustong subukan ni Sir. Ito nga pala ang Chinchilla 500. Ang Chinchilla 500 ay may V-twin cylinders, 8 valves, syempre water cooled na rin yan na bagay talaga sa mga long rides. At syempre meron din itong 475.6cc displacement. At sa kanya na nga palang suspension, meron itong inverted shock absorption para sa kanyang front at hydraulic shock absorption naman para sa kanyang rear suspension. Sa kanyang brake system naman ay naka-disc brake ito rear and front syempre, at naka-ABS na rin yan. At meron na rin pala itong traction control system o yung tinatawag natin na TCS sa harap at sa likuran. Okay? At syempre naman para sa kanyang gulong, meron itong tire size na para sa kanyang front tire ay meron itong 150 by 80 by 16. At rear tires naman na may sukat na 180 by 65 by 16. Naka-belt drive na nga pala ito para sa kanyang transmission. At syempre meron itong seat height na 705mm. At ground clearance na 150mm na bagay sa mga height ng mga Pinoy na nasa 5'2", 5'3" hanggang 5'5". Okay, meron din itong curb weight na 215 kilograms. At sa kanya namang instrument, sa kanyang panel, siyempre naka full LED ito. At ayun na nga, nakabalik na si Sir mula sa pagte-test ride nitong pinakabagong unit ng Benda Motorcycle, ang Chinchilla 500. At sa tingin ko ay na-enjoy niya ang pagbuang pagte-test ride nitong unit na ito. At kung gusto nila subukan mag-test ride, available po ito hanggang bukas araw ng linggo mula alas 8 ng umaga hanggang alas 5 ng hapon. Alright yan, so ito yung second day, so wala pa masyadong nagte-test, si Sir pa lang na pinakauna na nag-test ride. So nandito na mga units for test riding. Alright, so let's go dahil papasok pa ako. Sayang TRK ng Binelli. Liga na. Okay ka na? Goods. Okay. Okay, let's go. Yeah. Tara.